Yeah, what's going on YouTube? So today I'm gonna swap this 94 Audi Avant RS2 because Mattel decided to put some ugly, damn generic wheels on this beautiful Audi station wagon. Why, Mattel? Why? Why would you do it like that? Even the Super Treasure Hunt has ugly, hideous real riders. Sorry to say that. Like, if you guys are gonna produce this casting, at least produce the rims that came with the actual car, man, because that is so ugly. I don't care what the hell you say. It's on every damn car. The Rajan Express. They even put it on the damn Civic hatchback, man. Come on. These are ugly, Mattel, man. You know what I'm saying? We spend lots of money, man. Why do you do us like this? To hell with those wheels. I hate them so much. Sorry. Just a little rant. I know a lot of you collectors hate those wheels too, man. They're on every damn main line you can possibly imagine, man. They're cutting corners just to save money, man. Get out of here with that. We don't want that. So if you're gonna produce the car, at least produce the wheels that came with the damn car. Okay? Thank you very much. Hate those wheels. I'm sorry to say that. I just had to let everybody know that. I know you guys hate those wheels too, man. Okay, let's get this thing going. Let's get this bad boy out of this cardboard box. Let's go, Audi. Get out of there. There you go. There you go. The hell with this plastic cardboard. The Audi's like, yes, I can breathe now. Finally. Look at that. Let's get a close up. Look at that. Whoo! The paint is immaculate. Beautiful. What's that? Beautiful station wagon. And they had to put these ugly damn wheels on it. Man, why? Why? Some people may like it, but I do not like these wheels. I hate seeing main lines with these. Like maybe the fantasy cars, but don't put these rims on the real life cars. It's just horrible. Today I'm gonna put some black Wheel Rider wheels, black and gray, and see what that looks like. All right, stay tuned. What a beautiful front end. Just like the Porsche I did the other day. Look at that. I love when these castings are detailed in the rear and the front. Just such a beautiful casting, and they just had to slap these ugly, damn, generic rims on there. Alright, I'll shut up about that. So ugly. Sorry. Like, look at the Jaguar, man. Look at this. They put some nice plastic rims on the Jaguar. I forgot about this Jag. It is sweet, man. I don't want to even touch this one. This is just beautiful as it is. No need for a wheel swap. Look at the front end. Beautiful detail. Headlights are detailed too. Look at that. Sweet. Nope, I will not touch this. Staying on my display. I love this one. I love this Jag. Stay right there. Alright, stay tuned. Alright, there's the drill. Drill this. Hey, look at that. Nice, perfect hole in there. Look at that. Okay, stop fooling around, Mr. John. Get to work. Okay, here we go. Drilling the front end. I hope this axle is not wide like the Porsche, man. Please. Here we go. Okay, I'm not gonna record this. It just makes my video longer. Stay tuned. Alright. Finally got the Audi taken apart. I would love to swap this, but I gotta order a set where the rear wheel is bigger than the front. because they're not the same size as you can see. I would love to swap this. Okay, so here we go. Here's the Audi taken apart. Boom, boom, bam. Let's see what it looks like with the real riders. Get these generic wheels out of here, throw them in the damn garbage, or keep them, swap them onto something else. Oh hell no, I wouldn't swap these onto any car. They're just terrible looking wheels, man. It's just horrible. Like, I guess they save a lot of money making these wheels. You can have them. Anybody want them? Let me know. Free shipping. I'll ship them to you, man. There you go. Right there. Nice, perfect set. Alright. Let's put on these real riders right here. These awesome ones. Shout out to Frankie again for hooking these up. Awesome. There we go. Look at that. No axle difference. It's just perfect fit. Unlike the Porsche yesterday, the rear end of the Porsche is fat, so had a problem. Oh man, I can't wait to put the top piece on. Can you guys wait for that? This is gonna be a awesome reveal. Ready? Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. Moment of truth. Check it out for all of YouTube to witness. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Forget your Super STH. Check that out, guys. This is how the Super should have came, like this. Forget your Super. Yeah, I gotta show you that again, YouTube. Check it out. Oh my gosh. Forget the Super treasure hunt. I'm not even on the lookout for it no more. I got this now. Oh my gosh. Woo. Look at the offset on the back too. Looks pretty good. Look at that. Awesome. Oh. Oh my goodness. This looks so much better with black wheels. Look at that. The Super looks like junk. I don't know if the Super it comes with looks kind of like these rims, but they're more like a cone in the middle. They look like crap to me. Sorry. Whoever is a fan of those wheels, you got bad taste. This is awesome. Oh, look at that. Man, my hands look dry as hell on camera. I need some cream, man. So dry. Check that out. Look at that. Ooh, feast your eyes on that, YouTube. This is for all the Hot Wheels wheel swap junkies like myself. Look at that. Ooh, I think this is probably my third most favorite swap. Oh, it just looks so awesome. Frankie, check it out, brother. Like, I visualize this in my head, but it's nothing compared to actually seeing it. Forget visualizing, just do it. Just like Nike says, just do it. Look at that. Beautiful. Woo. Alright, stay tuned. I'm gonna try the gray Real Riders now. Alright, you guys wanna see the gray Real Riders on the Audi? Boom, 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 bam. Check it out. Look at that. Looks tough. That looks good too, man. But not as nice as the black on black though. This looks nice. Not gonna lie. Sweet. That is nice. This is for all the Audi fans out there. Love it. That is sick. Rolls nicely too. Alright, guys, you guys tell me which one you guys prefer. The gray Real Riders or the black. Very nice.